Hey there, today I want to talk to you about a software that has totally changed the way that I do presentations. So let's jump into it. The name of the software is called Gamma.ai, and you can start completely for free. So what you can do is you can use this to create presentations, websites, social media content, create documents. And the thing that really caught my attention, I started on the free plan. The thing that really caught my attention is how quickly these presentations were created. And quite frankly, there is absolutely no way that I could have created a presentation this professional looking that quickly. I would probably, after a week, still be working on the first slide, trying to get the background and the spacing and all that kind of stuff working properly. So like I said, this has just totally changed the way that I view doing presentations. And this here is the basic web page, and it runs through all the different things that you can do. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go on over to my Gamma and kind of show you, well, first I'm going to go to the pricing page, and then I'm going to go into the Gamma and show you actually how it works. Okay, so here we are at the pricing page, and like I said, I started for free just to see if this was going to do what I wanted it to do. And I thought maybe I'd be able to get through my whole presentation without having to upgrade. But I started doing quite a few more presentations just because it was so easy to use. And so at startup, you get 400 AI credits, you get basic image generation, and your presentations can have up to 10 cards. Now, on the free plan, you get 50,000 AI token inputs. And quite frankly, with all the presentations I've been doing, I burned through that pretty darn quickly. So what I did was I upgraded then to the Plus plan, which I thought for $8 a month was pretty darn affordable. So with that, you get unlimited AI creation, advanced image. You can remove the branding of the Made with Gamma badge, and you get 100,000 AI tokens as well as priority support. So for me, it was definitely worth upgrading so that I could continue to use this software. Now, one of the things I was doing is I was creating a course, and so what I was doing is entering in an outline, and that was creating my whole presentation for that outline. So I was super excited about that. So this here, you can check out the pricing and the products and all that kind of stuff. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to jump into my actual gammas and show you how easy it is to use and how quickly it creates these presentations. Okay, so from one of the presentations I'm doing, I had a whole section on autoresponders. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and copy and paste the outline in here. And what I'm going to do is click presentation, and we will go from there. So I'll control right there. And then you can scroll down and decide what do you want to do with this content. You can generate, basically you can make up content from notes or an outline. You can summarize long text or a document, or you can preserve this exact text. And I'm going to say preserve the exact text, and I'm going to say continue to the prompt editor. And you can also import files if you want to. So let's go to prompt editor here, and here you can I've got preserve the text, pick my presentation style, I've got image, AI images that's going to auto select, or you can pick a different model here if you want. I just did the auto select. You can choose the style of images here, you know, whether you want an illustration or photorealistic, abstract, 3D, line art. And down here at the bottom, it tells you how many credits you've used of your whatever you're signed up for. Now, since I signed up for the middle plan, I got 100,000 credits, so you can see I'm almost up to 1,000 credits. And so if you want to change the color too, you can also change what the presentation looks like. You've got a lot of different options here in terms of the themes and how it looks. So let's go ahead. I'm going to change up the theme a little bit this time because I think I've just been using the first one, the vortex one here. So let's go ahead and pick something a little bit different. I saw a green one that I think is going to stand out quite a bit. So let's, oh, here we go. So I'm going to pick this one here, and this is the theme preview. It shows you what it looks like, primary button, secondary button. Okay, select theme. I'm just going to pick this. And so then that shows up right there. And then when I'm ready, say for instance, I've got a lot of text on one slide and I want to break it up into another slide, I can actually break the content up. So like this slide here has got a ton of content on it. So here we go. Let's gonna go to, so let's say here at 4, enter, I'm going to make some spaces, and then right here I'm going to do 3 dashes, and this makes a whole nother slide. So then I've got another slide there, and right now I've got a total of 7 cards, and so on the free plan you get up to 10 cards. Since I've upgraded, I get more cards than that, but this here is 7 cards total. It tells you how to break the cards, right here, what I told you, the 3 dashes. And then it gives you an overview, length and tokens. So here we go. And then all I need to do is click generate. And while this is generating, you keep the box open here. And then you can see right here how it is creating this whole presentation. And this looks fantastic. Like I said, there's just no way that I would be able to do a presentation like this myself, maybe in a year or something like that. But the fact that this has reduced my workload so much is quite frankly amazing. So then at the end you can create something else or go back to your prompt. How satisfied are you with the output? So this is the 7 cards. And so if you are actually doing a presentation, you can use Zoom to record your screen. And then it goes through the outline. You can talk about your whole presentation. But this really looks fantastic. Now over here, I want to bring your attention to this menu over here on the right-hand side. You can have card templates. You can do different layouts. You can change you can add in different blocks, images. You can add in a video or different media, embed apps and web pages, do charts and diagrams, smart diagrams, and then if you wanted to add a button, you could do that and or do a Google. So we are back to the general presentation right here. And quite frankly, I haven't used the button much in my presentations. It's mostly just been creating the presentation for educational purposes. So you could use this forms and buttons action here at the end of your presentation. You could do a form, ask for input or ratings, things like that, and you would just add these in at the end of the presentation. You could use the button then to, if you had a higher paid course, you could say click here to upgrade your membership or whatever. So there's a lot of different options that you can do with these buttons over here on the side. So I just wanted to show you how easy it is to create presentations with this Gamma app, this software. You can, like I said, you can also do a web page. So I'll probably be doing another presentation showing you how to do web pages and create a custom document. But this one here is mostly just about presentations. So if you like this presentation, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so you get notified whenever I drop a new video on software. And I hope you found this to be helpful. I'm going to be putting the link to Gamma down below. Make sure you get signed up for a free account, run through it, try it out, just experiment, and really see that it is a fantastic software and it's going to save you a ton of time. So anyways, no credit card required for the free account. Just set up an account and start using it and take advantage of how easy it is to do these presentations.